Bluetooth keeps connecting and disconnecting? Don't worry. In this video, we'll fix your Bluetooth connection issues on Windows step by step. Let's get started. In this video, we'll go through some steps to help fix the issue. First, right-click on the Windows Start button and open Device Manager. Next, expand Network Adapters and double-click on your wireless driver. Now, click on Power Management and uncheck all the settings. Then, click OK to save your changes. Alright folks, let's tackle the next step to fix the issue. Ready? Here we go. Right-click on the Windows Start button again and open Device Manager. Expand Bluetooth and right-click on your Bluetooth driver. Click on Update Driver, then select Search automatically for drivers. After that, click on Close. Right-click on the Bluetooth driver once more and select Update Driver. Click on Browse My Computer for drivers. Then, click on Next, and finally, click on Close. Alright folks, let's tackle the next step to fix the issue. Ready? Here we go. Search for Services, and open it. Double-click on Bluetooth Support Service. Click on Stop, then expand the startup type and select Automatic. Now click on Start, then click Apply, and OK. Alright folks, let's tackle the next step to fix the issue. Ready? Here we go. Next solution. Search for CMD and right-click on Command Prompt. Select Run as Administrator and click Yes to confirm. Now type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. Then type netsh winsock reset and press Enter again. Finally, close the command prompt. Now right-click on the Windows Start button and select Restart your PC. And that's it. Follow these steps to troubleshoot. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.